So after watching Just Scalin's video on 3D printed foams, it got me thinking that I could make my own. I drew inspiration from both Just Scalin design, and Three Brothers design of the anti-foams. The goal was to get some type of two-stage foam that I could easily print on my own printer. Initially I wanted to have a honeycombed pattern, but I could not get it to revolve around the center without looking funky, so I ended up with a triangle that I revolved around the center instead. Let's see how NinjaFlex worked out on the Ultimaker 3. It took 20 hours to print, so I guess I should tune the design for easier printing. Seems like it printed just fine. It's the first time I'm using flexible filament. Feels quite good, and there is a two-stage like I hoped for, with thinner walls on the other portion of the foam. Testing will start once the other three foams are done, so stay tuned.